Alright guys, how's it going? If you've ever wondered what life is like living in Dubai as an expat, or even if you're thinking about coming on holiday and you love the outdoors and you want to do a bit of adventuring and you want to check out all the great spots in Dubai and the UAE, be sure to subscribe to my channel where I'll show you my expat adventures. And believe it or not, you don't have to have loads of money and drive a fancy car and live in a big house if you want to live in Dubai or even come on holiday. You just need to know all the good spots to go and the deals to find. So today we're down at Nemo Water Sports. They're actually a pretty good company. We got a nice guided tour starting from Jumeirah, heading out to the Burj Al Arab, and then they take you all the way out to the Palm Jumeirah where you'll get to see the Atlantis. After living here 15 years, I've never actually done this. It was really nice to see Dubai from a different angle. Enjoy the video guys, let's get into it. So this guy comes and takes your photos next to the Burj. So this is the new Atlantis. Absolutely gorgeous. And the original Atlantis, well, the original one's in the Bahamas, but the second Atlantis is on the farm next door. Just stopped at our last destination and then we'll head back to the harbour. Atlantis is behind me here. Believe it or not, this is my first job when I arrived in Dubai 15 years ago now. Now I'm on a jet ski outside the Atlantis. It's quite ironic. I applied for a job cleaning the aquarium and the person interviewing me asked, have I ever worked with dolphins? And obviously I said no. And I got a job working in a dolphin park. So that's us off just now, back to the pier. Cheers for watching guys, enjoy the video!